So this is a quick tutorial to show you how to create redirects that don't break your affiliate link. Because as you probably already know, and if you don't know, you need to know, that most of the available link shortening services will break your affiliate link in some cases or on some devices. Particularly the Joomla affiliate link, that is quite fragile, and even a service I've used for years with literally hundreds of affiliate programs and God knows how many thousands or millions of clicks. PrettyLink, which nearly everybody with WordPress uses, even that breaks with the Joomla affiliate link, as I found out to my cost. It appeared to work okay. I tested it. I thought it was all fine. But when people signed up with an iPhone, it lost my affiliate link. So I sent a lot of people actually to Joomla who signed up on iPhones, and I never got credited for it. So you don't want that to happen. So this is going to show you how to create links where that won't happen to you. But let's just take a step back first and say, well, why do we want to redirect? The main reason we want to create redirects is affiliate links are pretty unfriendly looking things. They're difficult to share. Like, for example, https://app.joomla.com/foundation #a_AID59. Yeah, doesn't exactly trip off the tongue, does it? So that's one reason. You want a more friendly link where you can just use a link like timfelmingham.com/Joomla, which is easy to share with other people. The other reason you want to do it is some platforms simply won't allow you to advertise directly to an affiliate link like that. They'll see that and they'll either disapprove your ad, or in bad cases you can actually have your entire account closed down. And the third reason you want to use redirects is you may not want to make it obvious that your link's an affiliate link. Now, obviously, you shouldn't do anything that's deceptive, but at the same time, you don't necessarily want to scream out, hey, affiliate link, affiliate link. You may want to be a little more subtle than that. So with redirects, what you can do is you can take an ugly link, like my Joomla link I'm showing you there, which is not an ugly thing. It's a thing of beauty, obviously, my Joomla affiliate link, but it's not very good for sharing. But I've created a redirect where you just go to timfelmingham.com/Joomla, and it takes you to my affiliate link. And this works on all devices, including iPhones. So the way we do that reliably is to use a thing called HTML redirects. And all you do to do an HTML redirect is you create a simple text file which contains an instruction to redirect the viewer's browser to your affiliate link. You upload that file, the HTML file, to your web server, put it on a nice friendly URL, and then anybody that goes to that URL will be seamlessly redirected to your affiliate link. So they go to something nice and friendly and they end up on the affiliate link, which is just what you want. And there's something really good as well. At the same time, you can drop a Facebook retargeting pixel or an AdWords retargeting pixel, which means that as you send people to somebody else's site, you can put a pixel on that click, even though it's not your site. So that's just brilliant, because you can go back to the people who click through that link and retarget them with very cheap ads. So before we go on to show you how to create your thing, and it's dead easy, I just want to give you a 1-minute course in HTML. Just in case you don't know what HTML is and you're not familiar with web design and all that stuff, I just want to give you a very brief introduction, which is going to be 1 minute. Promise, so don't switch off. So all an HTML file is just a text file. That's all it is. Nothing fancy, it's just plain text. You upload it to a web server and then somebody views it on their browser. Now what's in the file are the contents of the page, what you see on the screen, plus the instructions that tell the browser how to display it, and that's called markup. And all markup is, it's little tags where you've got a chunk of text and it says H1, so this is the beginning of a heading, and at the end of it, it says /H1, which means it's the end of the heading. And you have tags for paragraphs and images and all the rest of it. So it's very, very simple. It's just text with instructions to show the browser how to display it. That's all HTML is. There is a requirement for the structure. You have to have certain things, and it's very, very simple. It's just these few lines here. So an HTML document starts with a tag that says HTML, which is telling the browser this is an HTML document. Then there's a head section where you put information about the page, and that's where things like your meta descriptions and titles go. And then there's a body section, which is where the actual content of the page goes. And then that's closed off with the closing HTML tag. Now, I'm just explaining this to you so that when I show you our HTML redirect document, you know what it's all about. So now I'm going to show you the text file that you have to create to do an HTML redirect, which will work with every browser and every device. And it's really, really complicated. This is it here. So all you have to do is you have to create the HTML head, open and closing head tags, because they're requirements. And you have to put this one line in, which is meta HTTP equivalent refresh. And that contains two other things in there. Content equals 0 means do this redirect in 0 seconds, in other words, straight away. And the URL equals HTTP XXX whatever. That's your affiliate link. So all this does, this basically one line of code tells the browser to immediately redirect to your affiliate link. So as soon as they see this page, all the browser does is go to that link that you've put in there. And so what you do is you create a little text file, and you can just create this in Notepad or whatever. You don't need Dreamweaver or anything fancy. It's just text. Put your affiliate link in there where it says URL equals, and then you save that file as index.html and upload it to a folder on your web server. So once you've uploaded it, all they have to do, and I'm using an example here of my redirect for Joomla, I put it in a folder on my website called Joomla, and the file is called index.html. The good thing about calling it index.html is if it's called that, you don't have to type in index.html. So all you have to do there is type in timfelmingham.com/Joomla. And I recommend you all do that. It's a fantastic link. So we've now got a nice friendly link instead of that nasty thing we started off with. But the next thing we want to do is to add our pixel. Now, the reason you want to add pixels is retargeting is one of the cheapest forms of advertising. It's always cheaper to target people who've already been on your website. Now, unfortunately, Reno won't let me put my pixel on his website, so I can't retarget people who've been on the Joomla website. But what I can do is I can retarget the people I've sent there, because they may not have signed up, or I may want to target them with something else. So all you do is you go into Facebook. In your settings, it'll show you how to find and copy your Facebook pixel code, and it's just a little bit of code. You just copy it, and you just paste it in the head section above where we put the redirect link, and save it and upload it. And then in Facebook, you will be able to retarget all the people that clicked on your redirect link. And that's it. It's easy. So if you'd like a PDF of these slides, so you can just copy and paste that code, send me a message either at tim@timfelmingham.com by email, or just PM me on Facebook. That's it. Good luck. Talk to you soon.